the complexity of our fulfillment process, I knew that there was an opportunity to improve upon that, and that was one of my goals early on.
The distribution center at DC West has been there for 16 years, and it hasn't changed a lot in that time. We couldn't handle any more in December because we didn't have room for more people in the building.
And now we've partnered with OPEX in our IT group to develop a solution that really automates direct from freezer to their machine, to the package, to the pack station, out to the customer.
SureSort is a high-speed automated sortation solution which really allows us to take advantage of the batch pick efficiencies, which will allow us to serve our customers in a more efficient manner.
It reads a barcode, it delivers the product to the order, and for the first time in Omaha Steaks history, we'll be using barcodes to guarantee that we have the correct pieces for the customers.
From an innovation standpoint, Omaha Steaks, has never been afraid to really innovate. You think back to, being one of the first mail order delivery companies in the United States.
This is the first time that anyone in our industry is, or any industry for that matter, is automatically cascading and inducting product without a human having to interact and touch every piece of product.
It checked all the boxes from a fulfillment capacity standpoint, from an accuracy standpoint, from the dependency on labor.
And with all the involvement of all of our partners, come up with a solution and how to make that work, put it in real life.
And we had to find a way to make 12 large machines and all of the conveyance to and from those machines fit, while not reducing a single day of production. Was a huge challenge, and it was a daunting task.
But thanks to great collaboration from the team and the entire organization, we've been able to bring SureSort to life, and we're confident that the SureSort is going to address some of those limitations and issues that we've had in recent years.
A lot of our staff that steps up into elevated roles, and we're spread extremely thin during the month of December. We have roughly about 100 full-time employees that are split 4 different directions.
Having SureSort in the building also opens up opportunities for new positions, people to maintain the conveyors and the machines and all of the electronics that are included.
Yeah, I think the key milestones that, when I think about the SureSort project is number one was our proof of concept, and having our team touch and feel and being able to capture the data that we needed to give us the confidence to move forward.
I'm most proud of the ability to work with all different channels of the company. I've had the opportunity to really build a relationship with our IT department, our maintenance department, OPEX, CSI, KVK, and really come up with a team effort, a concept.
For me, being a leader in the organization, I would say, one of the things that makes me feel proud about the SureSort project is the support that we received across the entire organization. So it's just been energizing to see the entire organization get behind a project of this size.